Good day, my name is Crucialty Garcia, and in this video we're going to talk about the technical terms and important points of MVP. So first, let's talk about MVP. So MVP stands for Maximum Viable Product. So it is, as defined by Eric Reyes, that version of new product which allows a team to call the maximum amount of validated learning about customers with a least effort. Let's move on to the expected output of an MVP. So, the expected output of an MVP, we should target the right users. Making a product, we should know who are the right users that using that product that we made. So the main focus here is that an MVP, so it translates the collecting maximum amount of validating learnings. And it also related to when do we need to build the MVP. Product market fit. Mark Andrews say product market fit means finding a good market with a product capable of satisfying the market. Our end game as PMS is to capture PMF, maintain it, and grow from there. Market validation. We have many concepts of market validation, and we have first, proof of concept. This is feasible solution, and we also have prototype. This is how we will build our product that we want to produce. MVPs this should be built yung product natin. Product market fit is a market validates value, position, and business model. MVP example is Dropbox, Airbnb, Uber, and Google. How to build an MVP? First is ask yourself about what is your value proposition, who are your target market, how big your market size should, how will you measure the success, and many more. Now let's move on about hypothesize, design, test, learn methodology. So what is hypothesize? Here, we should determine the target customer, identify underserved customer needs, and define your value proposition. In hypothesize, dapat alam natin kung sino ba yung target customer natin, and dapat ma-identify natin kung ano ba yung needs ng mga target customer natin. For example, your target customer is teenagers. Ano ba yung mga needs ng mga teenagers? And then, next is design. Specify your MVP feature set and create your MVP prototype. Test your MVP with customers. Kailangan natin siyang i-test para malaman natin kung okay na ba yung product na ginawa natin or meron pa tayong dapat idagdag. And last is learn. Alterate and pivot to improve product market fit. So that's all about technical terms and important point of MVP.